Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing well. Today I wanted to do something different from just me talking non-stop to the camera. So I wanted to show you the granola that I make on a regular basis, and it's really nice to have this in your pantry. So when you're on the go in the morning, or if you get hungry in the afternoon, you have something healthy to snack on. So it's a staple in my household, and since we're a family of 4, we go through a lot. I make a big batch, so today that's what I'm going to do, but I will list the half portion in the description if you are a single person or just 2 people. What I want to say is you can adjust this recipe to what fits you, and also as you make this more and more, you're gonna find yourself tweaking and then finding the balance that you like the sweetness, ingredients, and flavor. So it's really fun, and I hope you'll find this recipe helpful. So let's get started. Actually, I'm going to do my morning water intake routine along with this granola recipe. And so this is the hot water kettle that I'm just really in love with. It makes me drink more water since I prefer to drink warm water during the winter months. So this is really nice that it boils really quickly, and then yeah, it helps me drink more because I tend to drink less during the winter. So what I do is I mix like half and half because this is too hot right now. So I do that, and then I'm gonna pour regular water, and I took a little break from MSM, but I'm back doing this. I used to take just this spoonful, but I increase it to 2 spoons. And then this is actually the wrong case. This is my probiotic. It's from seed. This is vitamin C. It's not the right container. I lost the seed container, so I'm just storing it in here. I use a wooden spoon so it does not react with a metal. All right, let's do this. Turn on the oven to 300. Yep, here are the ingredients. I have shredded coconut, organic, gluten-free, old-fashioned rolled oats, and these are sunflower seeds and pumpkin seeds, cinnamon, Himalayan salt, peanut butter. I like to make sure the ingredient is just peanuts, and preferably organic. I find that this is really not a must when you use maple syrup because there's a really nice flavor that comes through with maple syrup, but you can add this. I'm going to add it, but it's optional, I would say. So those are the ingredients. I like to have 2 bowls, one for the dry ingredients and one for the wet ingredients. And then I have a cup, and then teaspoon, and then measuring cup. So I put in 6 cups of oats. 3. If my kids ask me a question, I usually forget how many I put in, and anyway, yeah, I think that was 5. If I make more recipe videos like this, you might notice that I'm really rough with the measurement. I find that with plant-based cooking, you don't have to be really precise. That's the part I think that fits my personality. It's not like you have to really be strict with how you measure. Anyway, so that's oats, and then coconut, shredded coconut. I put in about a cup. Like that. I keep my shredded coconut in the freezer so it doesn't get moldy. I find that it lasts longer if you store it in the freezer. All right, and sunflower seeds, also a cup, and pumpkin seeds, also a cup. really easy, guys. Very simple. I think that's the point of making this, making any lifestyle your routine, is to find the ways to make it simple, not complicated. If anything is complicated, you're not going to stick to it. So what I find helpful is to find things that are simple, still nourishing, delicious. Find all these recipes, things that you like, and then kind of have a repertoire and like have like your go-to, and you'll be good to go, I think. Cinnamon, because this is a big batch, I will put in 3. And salt. Also, this is a big portion, so I'll do 1 teaspoon. So this is it for the dry ingredients. I like to mix the dry ingredients first before I do the wet, so this mixer is clean. So mix it well. Next step is the wet. Since I'm making a large portion, I'll do 3/4 cup. Maple syrup. It's in this jug because my father-in-law makes maple syrup, and we're really lucky that we get a supply of it. I'm gonna do 1.5. Let's not waste any ingredients. Put a bit of vanilla. Mix this. Peanut butter, maple syrup, vanilla flavoring mixture. Smells so nice. It's time to combine the wet and the dry. Now we'll mix well to combine everything. If you're avoiding peanuts, you can replace the peanut butter in this recipe with sunflower seed butter and use 1/2 teaspoon of cardamom in the dry ingredients, and you can still make a really delicious granola. Just a tip. I've done this many times and it really makes it still makes a nice recipe. Also, you can use almond butter if you prefer that over peanuts. In short, I just want to say there's a lot of room to play, so you're not stuck with this recipe. You can use sunflower seed butter, you can use almond butter. I have not tried cashew butter, but I'm sure you can also do that too. Just wanted to add that. This is what it looks like currently. You have to really mix well, and I'll be using my hands. If you have hand eczema, I recommend that you wear gloves, and you can still do this. It can be therapeutic if you like to use your hands. It's kind of fun. And the smell is amazing. Just massage it in. Make sure everything is well coated. So whatever that's stuck on my hands, I'll use this spatula to remove. And now I transfer this onto a baking sheet. Flatten it out. The granola is ready to go into the oven, not ready to eat. The granola is ready to go into the oven, and then I'm going to bake this for 30 minutes, and then I will toss it around and bake it for another 20 minutes, and then turn off the oven and leave it there. Leave it in the oven for a couple hours until it cools down. I find by doing this, the granola gets crunchier. Crunchy is how we like our granola, so this is what I do. And of course you can eat when it's warm and it's also delicious. But since we're going to store it and eat as we need, so yeah, that's what I usually do. Just leave it in the oven for a couple hours until it's cool, and then take it out, put it in a storage container, and yeah, keep it there for, it lasts for about 2-3 weeks for sure, but usually ours does not last that long. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you found this fun. If you also like granola, let me know in the comments. If there are any topics that you would like me to cover, also please leave it in the comment section. And here's the part. If you'd like to be notified when I upload a new video, please hit subscribe and the bell notification, and please click thumbs up if you like this video. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Why are you closing your eyes? Makes you want to meditate? The granola makes you want to meditate?